Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this 3D slide in intro text that you see on the screen. We'll start out on the edit page. As usual, go to the media pool, right click, new Fusion comp. You can name it if you want, but you don't have to, and leave it on 5 seconds. And go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I cannot use my hands and arms. That's the reason the keyboard's up there on the screen. Get a 3D text, merge, camera, light, and render. Plug it in the media out, and you should see it in viewer 2. Put the text you're liking in. And you can't see your text yet, so select the camera node. Go to transform. Select use target. Rotate the Z under translation to the right, and your text will appear in viewer 2. Use that to adjust your size. We may come back to it to move it around a little bit. Select the text node. Go to shading. Down here to size. Change the Y size to 2.0. Then go back to the text tab. Hit the left V anchor, and that should center it. Put the merge in viewer 1. I don't have a middle mouse wheel on my controller. That's why I use that drop-down menu. And it's not available on my controller. We're going to add some excursion to this text now. Select the text node. Click on the little arrow. Take the subdivisions all the way up. Smoothing angle all the way up. And the excursion depth all the way up. Go to custom. Highlight the handle on the bottom. Stand it straight up. Now highlight both the top ones. Hit F on the keyboard. And pull these handles all the way out. That makes the edges of the text much more rounded. Select the render node. Change the render type from software to hardware. Enable lighting and shadows. And if you look in viewer 2, we have no light now. That's because in viewer 1, you'll see the lights pointing to the back of the text. Select the spotlight. Open the cone angle all the way up. You can see in viewer 1 what it does. Go to transform. Select use target. Rotate the Z axis to the right of translation, and the light will move back, and you'll see it in viewer 2. Something like that. Okay, I want to add gradient to the text. Get a background. And you'll see there's no input for the background to plug into. I have to add one. Select the text node. Go to shading. Under materials. And then click on the image. It'll add another input on the text node. The white one here. Now we can plug into it. And select the background. Change the color type to vertical. I'm going to go with the red on the top and green on the bottom. Set yours to your liking. I'm going to make my text a little smaller. I'll go back to the camera node. Okay, now select the text node again. Shift space and Bender. Go to the inspector, select group objects, take the center all the way to the left, and select shear. We'll come back to this in a minute to animate it. Go back to the text node. And go to transform. Pivot. Take the y-axis on the pivot. Move your pivot point to the bottom of the text. Minus 0.4. We'll animate the text in first. We'll go to one viewer for this. Under translation, take the X, move your text all the way off the screen to the left. Make sure your playhead is on frame 0. I'm on a 30 FPS. You may have to adjust accordingly. Set a keyframe on the X. Advance your playhead 1 second, which is 30 frames for me. And hit the little dot, it'll come back to center. 0. Now go to the bender node. Take the amount to minus 0.5. Take your text back off the screen. Set a keyframe on the amount. Bring your text back in to frame 30. Set a keyframe on the amount. Advance 5 frames. Take the amount to 0.5. Advance 5 more frames. Then hit the little dot. Set it back to 0. Sheen's a little bright. We'll go back down. I'll show you how to adjust that. Go to the text node. Under shading. Down there's specular. Bring the intensity down about halfway. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.